If there is one thing I hate about Easter celebration, it's the way it is being portrayed in some part of the world. People have been deceived. People have been brainwashed to think that Easter is about Easter eggs and bunnies. Hi, welcome to the channel. Let's talk Easter. Now, Mary Magdalene, as usual, as she has always done from the first day of Jesus' death, came to the tomb that third day morning, but the body of Jesus was no longer there. She wept, thinking that the body has been stolen. Now, she met two angels. They asked, "Woman, why do you weep?" She said that her Savior has been taken. And Jesus asked her again, but she could not recognize Jesus up until when Jesus mentioned her name and said, "Mary." That was when she recognized. Now, Jesus sent her back to go tell the disciples that he has risen. When she got to the disciples, out of excitement, they all dashed towards the tomb where Jesus was laid. The other disciples got there before Peter. But when Peter got there, he was the one who went into the tomb. Now, when Peter got into the tomb, he found out that the linen that Jesus was laid with were all laying there. The one that was used to wrap his body was tossed aside, but the one that was used to wrap his face was neatly folded and kept on that platform where Jesus was laid. Now, there is a significance to this. Lately, I have come to realize that in the Jewish culture, there is this significance of a linen or napkin on the table. The servant prepares the table for the master to eat, and he steps aside and watches his master. Now, when the master is done with the meal, he doesn't want anything to do with the meal anymore. He wipes his mouth with the napkin and tosses it on the table. That sends a signal to the servant that the master is done with the table. It gets interesting, guys. Now, if the master is not done with the meal on the table, when he wipes his mouth, he folds back that napkin and neatly places it back on the table. Do you get it? Let's rewind back. Peter found the two linens. The one that was used to wrap Jesus' body was tossed away, but the other one that was used for his face was neatly folded and kept on the platform. Guys, Jesus was true with the flesh. Jesus was true with his body, but Jesus isn't true with us. Jesus is coming back. Now he's saying, don't mess with that table. I am coming back. Don't mess with my people. I am coming back for them. Jesus, he is still eating with us, and he will come back to take us to our Father's house. Hallelujah. This is mind-blowing. This is mind-blowing. We are going to see Jesus face to face. Symbols, signs has been used to explain in the Bible about Jesus, about mysteries that we cannot fathom, guys. If you're still watching this video to this point, I beg you, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all a happy Easter. God bless you.